Hello guys, today we will show you how you can make a song for free with AI in Short Home, and the limit of this song is 30 seconds. You can make a 30-second long-form video, and first of all you have to open YouTube. Yes, you have to open YouTube. After opening YouTube, click on the plus icon that is visible and click on the star that is visible on the side. After clicking Start, you will see Create Music. Click on Create Music and write your script, and it will take 5 to 10 seconds and your song will be ready, and listen to the song. Enjoy!
Second thing